Section 33 of the Labor Act 11 of 2007. Unfair dismissal. An employer must not, whether notice is given or not, dismiss an employee without a valid and fair reason, and without following the procedures set out in Section 34 if the dismissal arises from a reason set out in Section 34(1), or subject to any code of good practice issued under Section 137, a fair procedure in any other case. It's unfair to dismiss an employee because the employee discloses information that the employee is entitled or required to disclose to another person. It's unfair to dismiss an employee because the employee fails or refuses to do anything that an employer must not lawfully permit or require an employee to do. It's unfair to dismiss an employee because the employee exercises any right conferred by this act or the terms of the contract of employment or collective agreement. It is unfair to dismiss an employee because the employee belongs or has belonged to a trade union, or they have taken part in the formation of a trade union, or participates in the lawful activities of a trade union outside of working hours or within the working hours with the consent of the employer, or in the circumstances contemplated in Section 67(4). It is unfair to dismiss an employee because of such employee's sex, race, color, ethnic origin, religion, creed, or social or economic status, political opinion, or marital status. In any proceedings concerning a dismissal, when a dismissal case is registered, or in proceedings such as hearings where the question in issue is unfair dismissal, if the employee establishes the existence of the dismissal, then it is presumed, unless the contrary is proven by the employer, that the dismissal is unfair. So when a hearing is happening about unfair dismissal, then the employee only needs to establish that they have been dismissed. It is then on the employer to actually prove that such dismissal was not unfair. Thank you. That brings us to the end of discussion of Section 33. Let's engage, let's discuss. There's a lot of case law that has been decided in regard to unfair dismissal. So let's comment, let's share, and let's discuss. Thank you.